Thanks everyone for being here. My name is Kate Collardson. I'm a product manager at BayWa, and I'm really excited to be here today to lead this mindfulness meditation. Today I'm going to walk you through a meditation that I like to do that helps keep me mindful of my connection with the earth. It's a grounding cord meditation. So what I'd like to do first is to do a threefold breath. And so what that is take a deep breath and then exhale all at once. Do that 2 times. And then on the 3rd time, you'll hold it at the top, hold your breath at the top until it just starts to feel uncomfortable. And then exhale slowly. So breathe in. And all at once exhale. Again. And then on the 3rd breath, we're going to hold it at the top. Until it just starts to feel uncomfortable, and then slowly exhale. Pulling your belly in all the way to your spine as far as you can. Okay. And now I'm going to invite everybody to find a comfortable position. And close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you. And I want you to imagine a grounding cord. And now a grounding cord starts at the base of your spine. When I'm working with kids, I often tell them to think of a tail, like a monkey tail. So this is a grounding cord can be any shape you want it to be. It can be a tree trunk or a beam of light or a tube. Be any color you want it to be. It starts at the base of your spine and it goes all the way down into the center of the earth. So go ahead and imagine that grounding cord. Make it as wide as your hips. Make it something comfortable for you. And set it to whatever shape or color feels good to you. And make sure that it anchors in the center of the earth. It hooks in there. And there's no effort here. Just imagine that it's happening, intend that it will happen, and let it happen. And a grounding cord is a conduit for energy. And what we do with a grounding cord is to release any energy that's not ours. So let any energy that is in your body that doesn't serve you, let it release down your grounding cord. Again, simply set your intention that this will happen and let it happen. So releasing that energy that isn't yours and letting it go all the way down your grounding cord, down into the center of the earth. Now your grounding cord is a one-way conduit. And so once the energy leaves your space, it won't come back. And that's okay. You don't need it. It's not yours. So just let it go. Sometimes throughout our day, throughout the week, when we're in meetings, when we're in our discussing things with our families, when we're just living life, we pick up energies that don't belong to us. And so it's good to take a minute and put on a grounding cord and just let those energies that we've picked up throughout our life, and just let them go down your grounding cord. And as you feel your space becoming yours, getting rid of the energy that doesn't serve you, go ahead and relax into that feeling. Notice how different you feel in your body after you've released some of the energy that doesn't belong to you. Now, when we release energy, it's important to fill that energy back in, fill that space back in, and be intentional about how we're filling it. So the way that I like to do that is I imagine a giant golden sun above my head. So go ahead and intend that you have a giant golden sun over your head and make it 5 times bigger than the room that you're in. Just open up your ability to have and let that sun be as big as you can imagine. And in that sun, I like to imagine putting a magnet in it. Right in the middle of the sun, put a magnet and intend that that magnet is going to draw in your energy that you may have left other places. So in the same way that we pick up energies from other places, we also leave them in our energy and throughout the day, throughout our lives. And so put that magnet in there and intend that that magnet will call back any energy that you've left at other places. And as that's happening, go ahead and put some other energies in there. Things that I like to put into my golden sun are gratitude, validation for the work that you're doing, adventure, beauty, effortlessness, amusement, love, certainty, courage, gentleness, grace. Go ahead and put those energies into your sun. Just intend that they will be there and let them be there. And if there are any other energies that you want to have in your golden sun, go ahead and add them. Filling that golden sun up with lots of positive energy. And once you've got that golden sun nice and full of the energy that just the way you want it. Go ahead and pop that sun and bring it in to your body. Imagine it coming through the top of your head and filling you in. Fill in every cell in your body, all the way down to the tips of your toes and the tips of your fingers, replacing any energy that you've let go of, filling you up with all of that positive energy. And when you're nice and full, you can come back to your body, open your eyes if they're closed, and take a deep breath. Okay, and that's my meditation. Thanks so much for joining me today.